Okay, so the great toilet crisis is back upon us again. It is like, it's not as clogged up, but it's not like the water's not going down when you flush. Okay. See? So it's still doing this. So I have gotten supplies, honey. I have a artillery. Something here. The combined power of these things, they just have to work. Let's see. Okay, so I've added like 2 things. I'm getting fizz. So I'm like, this is looking good, folks. This is looking good. Oh shit, it smells really bad. Shit. So this is really happening. This man is like, happy to get people because this is like the same work guy. I have to make sure that it's not the same one who did it the last time. And like he's using a mop to deposit my tail and the sugar machine. Like this is like real life. And he's the second time in a week that I've gotten this fit. So yeah. I'm not too happy with preparing them right now. And I just have to document this because I can't believe that this shit is happening. This man is in the shower, just going down the drain. Okay? But my drain